Welcome to TLDRead, your source for concise book summaries. Today, we're diving into the world of distraction and focus with Eyal's Indistractable, How to Control Your Attention and Choose Your Life. In a world where distractions are everywhere, from social media notifications to endless email threads, staying focused on what truly matters can feel impossible. But in this book, Eyal provides practical strategies and actionable advice for taking control of your attention and living a more intentional life. So if you're ready to break free from the constant pull of distractions and reclaim your focus, then grab a seat and get ready to listen. Book by Nir Eyal. Part 1. Master Internal Triggers. The first part of the book, Master Internal Triggers, emphasizes the importance of understanding and managing the internal triggers that lead to distraction, such as boredom, anxiety, and stress. Eyal argues that by taking control of these triggers, individuals can avoid the temptation to procrastinate or get sidetracked by other distractions. For example, you're working on a project that you find boring and uninspiring. This internal trigger can lead you to procrastinate, and you might find yourself checking your phone or scrolling through social media instead of working on the project. By recognizing the boredom as an internal trigger and finding ways to make the project more interesting or meaningful, you can avoid getting distracted and stay focused on your work. Part 2. Make Time for Traction. The second part of the book, Make Time for Traction, focuses on the importance of scheduling time for important tasks and activities, and offers strategies for overcoming common obstacles to staying on track, such as procrastination and email overload. Eyal stresses the importance of setting clear priorities and creating a schedule that aligns with these priorities. Let's say you have a busy work schedule and struggle to find time for exercise. By scheduling a specific time for exercise in your calendar and treating it as a priority, you can avoid getting sidetracked by other tasks and ensure that you make time for this important activity. Part 3. Hack Back External Triggers. The third part of the book, Hack Back External Triggers, addresses the external triggers that can lead to distraction, such as social media, email, and other forms of technology. Eyal provides strategies for minimizing these distractions and staying focused on what matters most. Let's say you find yourself constantly checking your phone for notifications, even when you're supposed to be working or spending time with family and friends. By using tools like app blockers or setting limits on your phone usage, you can reduce the external triggers that lead to distraction and stay focused on the task at hand. Part 4. Prevent Distraction with Pacts. The final part of the book, Prevent Distraction with Pacts, offers techniques for creating pacts that help individuals stay on track and avoid distractions. These pacts can include things like setting goals and accountability measures, and they can help individuals stay focused and motivated over the long term. Let's say you're trying to cut back on your caffeine intake. By setting a goal to only drink 1 cup of coffee per day and enlisting a friend to hold you accountable, you can create a pact that helps you stay on track and avoid the distractions, in this case, excessive caffeine consumption, that can derail your progress. Check out our website at tldread.blog.